Hi, my name is Matthew, and I'm here to introduce you to the Human Cancer Model Initiative, otherwise known as HCMI, models only available from ATCC. Since 2016, ATCC has been an integral part of the HCMI collaboration, with the goal of making advanced cancer models commercially available to the scientific community. Our portfolio spans over 300 expanded models derived from a variety of patient cancer tissues, including, but not limited to, pancreas, colon, lung, brain, skin, and many other rare and pediatric cancer tissues. A majority of models are grown in embedded format as organoids, but our portfolio also includes spheroid models, such as glioblastoma neurospheres, and adherent models, such as skin melanoma models. These physiologically relevant models help represent the tumor microenvironment in vitro. These HCMI models are supported with model-specific, easy-to-follow culturing protocols, media kits to support model growth, as well as clinical and molecular characterization available with free access from the National Cancer Institute via the HCMI searchable catalog. Let me show you how it works. You are able to visit the HCMI searchable catalog 3 different ways: through your own website browser, the link provided to the searchable catalog homepage, and model-specific links when looking at an individual HCMI model in the ATCC catalog. Once in the catalog, you'll find relevant model information in the form of clinical and molecular characterization. For example, you're looking into purchasing an organoid model with a KRAS G12D mutation. You search for KRAS G12D under the Search by Research Somatic Variant search bar, and will then see all models with this mutation of interest, separated by tissue of origin. For example, we want to conduct a drug sensitivity study on a subset of pancreatic models, and we select the checkbox for pancreas, with the number on the right signifying the number of expanded models in the collection with a detected KRAS G12D mutation. We click on the first model suggested to learn more. Here is a model-specific view of the clinical and molecular information for this particular patient model. Links are provided on the right-hand side of this page for easy navigation back to the ATCC website. Our first model is PDM 169 under the ATCC catalog number. To purchase, click on the Visit PDM 169 to purchase. Once on the ATCC website again, users will find all relevant product information, as well as our free-to-access, optimized growth protocols, and resources for organoid and model culture. I hope this walkthrough shows you how to make the most of our HCMI portfolio by using our full list of resources to identify and select models that best fit your study plans and enable you to continue driving breakthroughs in cancer research with advanced 3D biology. If you have additional questions, please send an email to us and our staff will be happy to support. We'd love to hear from you, and thank you for listening.